Okay, so in this video I'm going to go over week 3, module 5, June 21st through the 23rd. Okay, so we're going to read chapter 8 on printmaking. There's lecture videos on chapter 8. Go ahead and watch those. Take the chapter 8 quiz, which is below, by Wednesday, June 23rd before 11:30 p.m. Complete the Edpuzzle video below on William Blake by Wednesday, June 23rd before 11:30 p.m. And then you'll read chapter 9. Watch the Chapter 9 lecture videos and take the Chapter 9 quiz below by June 23rd before 11:30 p.m. And then I want you to read over the project worksheet for project number 2, Public Art Project, which is below. There's also a video you can click on that goes over the project worksheet. So this project is worth 15% of your overall grade for this course. It's going to be due Sunday, July 4th before 11:30 p.m. So there's a module for this project number 2, the public art project. It'll be below syllabus and project number 1 in this left-hand menu within the, content area of the course shell. So you can find it right over here. It has, the project worksheet. It has the video in there, and it also has an upload area for your final, file when you're ready to turn in your project. You can also obviously go into activities assignments and turn in your PDF or Word document there for that project number 2, public art project. But anyway, I want you to read the project worksheet, which is below, or watch the video, review the module over here if you need to, and then complete the plan for project number 2. It's a discussion, and that needs to be done by June 23rd before 11:30 p.m. And it's a great opportunity to see what your classmates are up to, and also will just help you plan your project, kind of get you started, get that first step going with it, because it is due July 4th. So if we can look in the area below, we can see the PowerPoint for Chapter 8, the lecture videos for Chapter 8, the quiz for Chapter 8, the Edpuzzle video quiz on William Blake, which you'll copy and paste this into your browser window to access the quiz and take that. Chapter 9 PowerPoint, Chapter 9 lecture videos, Chapter 9 quiz, and then the project worksheet for the public art project, project number 2, the plan for project number 2. Remember to read over the worksheet first or watch the video before you do this discussion, which is due June 23rd by 11:30 p.m. There's 6 questions that you'll have to answer for that, but it should be pretty basic stuff, honestly. So that is module number 5, which will be the first half of week 3, June 21st to the 23rd.